Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your Windows Vista or Windows 7 computer into a Mac OS X computer. Now what this will do is change the theme of your computer. It will not change how your system runs or affect any of your files or anything like that. All this will do is make your computer look like it is a Mac OS X. This is for Vista and Windows 7, and this is going to be very quick. Should take less than 5 minutes to do this entire operation. And the settings and things that you'll have to do is very limited. You barely have to do anything. Just click a few buttons and then you're off and it does it all itself, and a quick little restart and you're done. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So before you get into all that, you're going to need to do something. So you're going to need to change your user account settings. So Vista and 7, all you have to do is you can go and you can search right here, change your user account settings, and you're going to need to turn them all the way down, okay? And then it's going to ask you to restart after you press OK. Just restart. You have to restart. There's no way to get around that. So just go ahead and restart your computer. When it gets booted back up, you're going to need to download the Snow Transformation Pack, which is on this website here. This link will be in the description. Let's go ahead and download this zip folder. And it's going to take a minute or two, so I will get back to you when that is done. Okay, so the download just finished, so you can go ahead and open it up now. Should be a zip folder, and you're going to see the Snow Transformation application right here. Let's go ahead and double click on that. Let that extract and open. Okay, and then it's going to pull up this little window right here. And you're going to see this little check down here. If you want this Windows X is live as your default home page, you can check that. I don't. Just go ahead and go next. You can read through this and then accept it. Go next. Next again. And then here's where you're going to need to choose one of these three options right here. Now the three options are Performance, Completed, and Customize. Now Performance is if you don't have a very strong computer and you think it could slow down your computer, then go ahead and click this. But if it in any way possible, try to avoid clicking this, because really any computer should be able to run this. So I recommend doing the Completed, which adds so much more stuff and looks so much better than using the Performance version. Also there's Customize, but there's really not much to customize, so I would recommend doing Completed. So go ahead and pick which one you want. Go ahead and go next, and then all you have to do now is press transform and you're done. It's going to do a few things and then restart. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes and it should be done. So I will get back to you when mine finishes. Okay, so my computer just got booted back up, and you can see that it looks quite a bit different, but there are a few things that were changed to make it look more like a Mac. So to start off, you'll see over here at the top of your screen you have the taskbar that looks pretty much like a Mac, but we're going to do a little thing. So we're going to go down here, right click and click Properties, and then click Use Small Icons, Apply. Okay. Now that makes it a little bit smaller, makes it a little bit more realistic, and makes it look a lot better. Now, in my opinion, it looks better, but if you don't like it, you can change it back to the big icons. That's up to you. Now I'm going to go over some stuff on the taskbar. You see that it is transparent, and you can see the background. I don't know if you can tell back good, but it is transparent. Also, you have the Mac icons, and you also have this little plus and minus thing right there. And also, instead of the Windows logo for the Start menu, you have the Apple logo that says Start. Click that, and you can see all your programs untouched, exactly how it was, and you can begin searching. Now, also, you'll notice down here at the bottom, you see a new dock. Now, it is filled with Windows applications, but however, it has the Mac icons. So this is the Safari icon that has Internet Explorer as the application that will open when you click on that icon. So it's pretty cool that it has the Mac icons right there. You'll notice it has a blue little dot showing on the open applications, because I have Windows Media Player open now. And also, you see this drives button. When you click on that, it actually opens up all of your drives that you have on your computer. Very cool. Also, the desktop button opens up everything that is on your desktop. So that's also pretty cool. Then it has your recycle bin and then a little separator right there, which you can get rid of if you don't want. Now, if you want to look at the properties of it, then you just right-click, and you can see all of these different things. I'll let you look at those yourself. But we're going to go to Dock Settings real quick. Now, you'll see that it has all this about it you can read. We're going to start at General. you can choose to run it startup if you want, which I recommend you do. And also, if you want it to minimize the little windows to the dock, then you can check that. I will show that in a second. And then all the other stuff you can look through. Lock items is if you want it to where you cannot drag and drop icons onto the dock and drag them off, all that. Icons, change those settings, but they should be default set to look pretty good. Change the position, change the style, which should already be set to Mac. Behavior, change that if you want, and then back to about. We'll click OK. So now let's go ahead and open up something on the dock. Let's just do calculator. Bounces up and down a few times, and then as you can see, it opens this up with the Mac exit, minimize, and maximize buttons here. They're still on the right side like Windows, but they are the Mac design. So now let's go ahead and minimize that, and you notice it minimized it down here to the dock. So then I open it back up, which is a cool little animation just like on a Mac. Very cool, and you can continue on. Let's go ahead and exit out of that. Now I'm going to show you the Documents window. Let's go ahead and open that. You see it looks quite a bit different here. You can see it has new icons and new text and all that. Fonts and stuff are changed. Over here, this is all changed. Looks pretty good. So yeah, it looks pretty much like a Mac. It's pretty convincing, except that it's kind of all arranged kind of like a Windows computer, but it still looks pretty good. You can see you have those icons again. Now, I will mention that it does not work on all programs. Those icons do not appear like that. Like, for some reason on iTunes, I don't know why, but those icons do not appear this way. They appear just like on regular Windows. But that is the only program that I've found that has that little glitch. But anyway, it's pretty cool. Go ahead and exit out of that. And now, anytime if you'd like to remove this Snow Transformation Pack, all you do is go up here and search for your Snow Transformation Pack, and you will see it right there. Go and open that up, and then all you do is come down here and click Remove Snow Transformation Pack, and it will get rid of it. Very simple. Restart the computer and you'll be done. Go ahead and exit out of that. Now, there are a lot of different small changes, but I just went over all the major changes, and I'm going to let you go ahead and look at all the small changes. If you want to, just kind of look around and see how you like it. So, that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down in the comment section below, and I will help you out as much as I can. And that is it for this video, and I will see you in my next video.